Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick video going over how to do this worksheet since you guys seemed a little panicked by it the other day. So basically, you're just going to answer these questions, right? So you're just naming the symbols on the periodic table like we've been doing on the mini quizzes. So like iron is Fe. So then on this thing, oh, whoa, I can do two. That's fun. On this picture, you're going to find Fe, which is this little block. Oh, this little block right here, and you're going to color it in red. Right, so we're going to get red, and we're going to color Fe. I don't have my pen with me, guys, so just bear with me on the coloring job there. Okay, so you're going to find these, color them all in red. Then down here on the bottom, right, it says to find the number of hydrogen atoms. This is about what we're getting ready to do in the next chapter. But basically, the number of atoms is just that small number that's going to be beside it. So like for this one, it'll be 34. This one will be 10, 6, 3, 46, 1, 28, 12, 36, 2. So you're going to find those numbers on here, color them blue. Same thing here, but with carbon, and these I went ahead and gave you the numbers for. And you'll color those in black. Obviously, just make it work. If you don't have any of those colors at home, just pick a color and make it work. And then you will get a nice, pretty picture of something up here. It's a surprise.